Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to.
Hello squad, I'm back again. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in my mommy mode, mommy / wifey mode, cooking, cleaning, doing what I do best. And today we're going to be cooking. My mama sent me back. She made it from scratch. I just have to cook it. Some dressing. So I'm going to put that in the oven. I'm going to show that to you guys in a minute. But I'm going to do some baked chicken along with that. Fry some pork chops on the side. I got a can of collard greens. And I have, yes, I said a can of collard greens. Y'all know them collard greens can be fixed up and taste good. And I got 2 packs of Knorr's cheddar and broccoli rice for the sides. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Y'all know I always show y'all from scratch what I'm doing. So, what we're going to be over here doing today is cleaning this chicken. As I'm cleaning it, I'm going to put it in the pan that I'm going to cook it with. And I'm going to show y'all what all I'm going to put on it to spice it up. Okay guys, so for the seasonings, what we're going to be doing is putting my tiger, you know I love to go in with my nature seasoning. And I'm going to use some Creole. Zesty Italian sauce over it. So I'm just shaking it up really well. Put just a little bit more in there. And it is actually really thick, guys, so I am going to put a little water in it to kind of thin it out. Okay guys, that is how this is looking. Let it cook for about 45 minutes on 350. I have to let the stove warm up first. So yeah guys, I'm letting the stove warm up first. But I'm going to cook this for about 45 minutes. And I'm going to put this on the bottom shelf. And I'm going to put my dressing on the top shelf. I'm going to show you guys my dressing here in a second. Okay guys, this is the dressing that my mom sent back with me. It is raw, but she made it from scratch. And the only thing I have to do is put it in the oven and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to be putting it in there now, letting it cook. But I wanted to show you guys so that y'all can see it was made from scratch. just not by me.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday, no love on a holiday. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale. Dreaming about summer nights with you, sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday.
Okay guys, once again, I really don't know if you guys get tired of that or not, but this is me. This is my life. This is what it is. And this is the struggle in here. I'm struggling in here, y'all. When it comes to this laundry, this is the struggle. But at the end of the day, we've came to the end of the vlog. I want you guys to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and a message to all none of the above, day, low life. Got a family to feed. If you don't believe in me, y'all know the rest. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell. Peace.